Good morning student, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video section we will see about the how we will create the coding for find out the sum and average. Already we did one program related to sum and average, but this time we will do certain manipulations within that. So let's start with our coding. So this is my last video section program, that is we are finding the sum and average value. But now we will change little bit over here. For example, we will put our header files over here, that is my hash include iostream.h. Next header file, that is my comma. Then my main function will come over here. Let's introduce the variable. Either you can use the float or integer value, choice is yours. For example, I am giving over here x variable, and if you think answer will come in the float, to assign the float for your sum. But now I am just taking the integer values, that's why I will assign the sum over here only. After that, we want to introduce average variable also. So over here, comma supposed to be there. Now I want to enter the 5 numbers, and for 5 numbers I want to find out the sum and average. So no need to introduce over here 5 variable. How last lecture we have do, that is the 2 variables we have introduced, am I right? But over here within this we are not using 5 different variables, we are just introduce only 1 variable. Now I want to enter the 5 values for only for 1 variable. How is it possible? This is possible with the help of for loop. So let's start with our coding. That is a cout statement. Through this user will come to know they are supposed to enter any 5 number, and the statement will enclose with semicolon sign. Now over here I will use my for loop variable, that is one more variable we required over here. So let's introduce int a. So a is my variable, this is my initialization part of my variable equal to 0. So currently this is assigning 0 value. Semicolon sign we are using for separation. We want to enter 5 numbers. So a is less than and equal to 5. So it will repeat this till 5 times. Semicolon sign will come. What we want to increment our a variable. So you can see over here, this is called as an initialization, this is my condition, and this is called as a testing part. Either you will increment or decrement for your for loop. For loop we will see deeply within our control structure. Now within this for loop variable we are calling my cin statement cin x. Means over here it is allowing you to enter the value for x variable till 5 times. After that we have to call the sum variable, that is the sum equal to sum plus x. So this parenthesis get closed over here, and then we have to call the average variable. So average equal to sum divided by your a variable. Now we want to print sum value, that is sum, and we want to print the average value also, so called over here average also. Close this program with your getch, and after initialization of variable, clear screen will come. Execute this program. Now you can see over here it is showing me the error, that is clear screen and getch. So this is my directivity spelling. So rectify your errors and compile it once again with the help of Alt F9. Once you are getting 0 errors, you can run it Ctrl F9. So it is allowing me to enter 5 numbers. So whichever numbers you want, go on entering over here. Once you will enter the number, it can display you the sum as well as average. Now if you want space in between this, you can give over here either /n or /t. Now you can see over here I have introduced that is a equality to 0. Suppose I will mention it 1, so it will run only 5 times. Let's see once again. So how you are initializing, accordingly you will get the answer. For example, once again we will see this. So you can see 5 numbers it is allowing me to enter, and I am getting my sum as well as my average also for my numbers. So through for loop variable, we will repeat the action according to your condition get satisfied. So that's it for today's section. We will meet soon in new video section. If you like student my video, please subscribe it and share it.